What's up, you guys? I'm back today with another vloggy vlog.
Skinny girls wake, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like two pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you.
You guys, today's video is in collaboration with Dossier. They offer cruelty-free perfumes made with clean ingredients without any markups. All of their perfumes are made in France along the French Riviera, which is considered to be the world's perfume capital. They strive to craft the best quality, cleanly made products possible. Not sure which of their amazing perfumes to try? Go online and answer 6 questions and figure out which scent is right for you. They offer risk-free ordering. If you don't love it, ship it back to them for a refund. Returns are donated to charity, so no bottle of perfume ever goes to waste. Discover quality fragrances inspired by the iconic scents you love.
You guys know I love perfume. Okay, you guys know I'm addicted to perfume. I spend so much money on perfume. And now I get to try out Dossier's replica scents. You guys, these are a fraction of the cost of the, I guess you would say, the brand name perfume that it's replicated against. And they smell super good. They stay on your skin very long. Actually, I wore one the other day when I went to the store, and this lady came to me at the register and was like, I smelled you as soon as I walked through the store. Like, it was so crazy. I swear. And I'm like, wow, I can't believe she smelled me throughout the whole store. My favorite one that they sent me so far was a replica of the Bacardi 540 Rouge. I do have the original one, and it costs, I think I paid like a little over $300 for that perfume, and it's super small. And y'all, this one smells almost identical to it. It's crazy. They sent me 3 perfumes. One of them was a unisex one, but it actually smelled better on Ronnie than it did for me, so I gifted that to him. This one right here is it's called Woody Sandalwood. This one is the La Labo Santil Eau Parfum. This one is the one that's supposed to be the unisex one, but it smells more of a cologne to me, so I gave this to hubby. It smells really, really good on him. And then they sent me, this one is called the Florentino Orange Blossom. And this one right here is the Estee Lauder Beautiful perfume replica. That one smells really good. And another thing that I love is that their bottles have a magnetic top, so you don't have to worry about losing your top. I think that's really good. And these are quality perfumes. They're not eau de toilette. It's not full of alcohol. These are eau de parfum, so they will last on you for a very long time. Okay, so out of these 3, my favorite is the Ambery Saffron. It smells so good. Okay, and it lasts. It's bomb. I like it. I'm gonna get different ones. Like, you guys know I spend a lot on perfume. If you follow me on Instagram, you know, like, I am a collector of perfume. I'm so happy to be able to add these to my collection. They smell bomb. I can't wait to try more scents. You guys go check it out. I do have a promo code right here. Use my promo code and get money off of your order. You will not be disappointed. Go check them out. So you guys, today my little sister is coming into town. We're about to go head to Orlando and go pick her up from the airport with my niece. I miss them so much. I can't wait to see them. And that's what we're about to do today. So let's go get them. All right, y'all. So we're finally on the road now, on our way to go get Brianna. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see her in Savannah. Like, I'm so excited. It is so hot out here, y'all. The sun is beaming, so y'all know I had to throw my shades on, cause y'all know I can't. I just cannot. Okay, it's so hot here in Florida. Like, ooh, it's almost 100 degrees, y'all. It literally. So I'll give you guys some views along the way, and yeah, let's go pick up my little sissy. Papa. Oh, I didn't say hi.
Papa.
Hey, Papa.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your boy Jig. Y'all know how to do it. You know what I mean? Y'all know the vibes. We all good. Doing that thing we do. Holla. Y'all know the vibes.
Y'all know the vibes. Oh, y'all, I'm gonna start selling a shirt that say y'all know the vibes, okay?
Alright, some PC off.
No PC. Whoever gets there first, boo-boo. Come on, y'all. The car's right here. Look at my Savannah. Oh, my baby.
So hot. Oh my god.
Hey, y'all. Aw. Big buddy, big Zoe. All right. It's hot, right?
Yes.
I told you it was going to be hot. It's like almost 100 degrees today. Welcome to Florida.
Lord. That feels good.
Welcome to Florida. You need to, I know traveling is working itself, girl.
I had so much fun.
All right, y'all, so we're leaving the airport. We're about to go get something to eat. Everybody is starving. We're gonna go to DJ Khaled's restaurant, The Liquid, and we're about to go get something to eat. It's gonna be your first time, well, they're only down here, so it's gonna be your first time trying it, right, Bree? Yeah. See the palm trees, boo? Get some footage. You not snapping? Why? You hiding out? You hiding from somebody? All right, y'all. So let me chit chat with my baby. I'll be back. Our food's ready, y'all. Go, bestie. Did you take? It's real sweet,
Yeah,
but
I
it's
got
mad sour. It's just.
I'm gonna check on something in about like a half an hour. I'm gonna let you know.
So this one is Ronnie's. Ronnie's got the fried shrimp with the mac and cheese and the yams. Yum, yum, yum.
Let me taste that right.
Oh, that look good.
So this one is mine. I got the conch. That conch sauce. Yeah, that conch sauce is so good. Mac and cheese, yams, and then I got a side of greens. Their greens are really good. This is the conch, y'all. Yeah, these greens are fire. Alright, y'all, so I'm taking my sister and niece to one of my favorite places. We're here at Lake Morton, about to feed the ducks and the swans. Look at Brianna. Brianna, her hot girl-ish. So I have a bunch of quarters. We're gonna get some food to feed them. Look at this.
This is a lake or a pond?
A lake.
Then I'll get my phone out so I could video me feeding them.
Yep. Do the next quarter. It is so hot, y'all. It's almost 100 degrees out here. My scoop, yeah, there you go. You got it.
I'm not scared, but like they don't have teeth, right?
Well, you're gonna throw them. Throw the food.
Oh, I thought I was gonna put my hand to their mouth.
No!
Oh.
Here, put your hand closer again. Let's get all of it.
Wait, no, we'll come back. So they're falling on the floor.
On the ground. Inside is floor, outside is ground. Put a little bit at a time. Just throw some. See? Oh my gosh. So now we're at the pool with the kids. Bree. Okay, Bree. Okay, Bree. Just letting the kids play, you know. We're at the pool at my house. Okay. It is so hot out here. Yeah, we are watching the old Space Jam, so we go watch the new one. I just poured some peach wine. All right, a little fruit, like a quick little sangria. Right, we're watching movies. I made some popcorn. All right, we just gonna do this.
Whoa, don't slip up or get caught. Why not, man? I'm coming for